Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize integrate GA4 into Webflow no-code, full guide step by step clearly. To start, log into your Google Analytics account. Create a new property for Google Analytics 4, or select an existing one. Once the property is selected, go to the admin section on the left sidebar. In the property column, click on Data Streams. Click the button to add a new data stream, then select Web. Enter your website URL and give your stream a name. Click Create Stream to proceed. You will see a measurement ID under the web stream details. Copy this measurement ID as you will need it shortly. Now, open a new tab and log into your Webflow account. Select the project where you want to integrate Google Analytics 4. Go to the project settings by clicking on the gear icon. Navigate to the Integrations tab located in the top menu. Scroll down to the Google Analytics section. Instead of the Universal Analytics ID, you will paste your GA4 measurement ID here. Ensure the GA4 ID is pasted correctly without any extra spaces. After entering the ID, scroll down and click the Save Changes button. Now, it's time to publish your site. Click on the Publish button to update your website with the new settings. After a successful publication, go back to your Google Analytics account. Use the real-time report to check if data is being received. If you see active users listed in the report, your integration is successful. Congratulations, you have now integrated GA4 into your Webflow site without any coding. Monitor your analytics regularly to gain insights into your website traffic. That's it for the integration process. Start analyzing your website data effectively using Google Analytics 4. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.